Hey, good morning, everyone. Today is February 17th. I have Mr. Madler here. He's about 2 weeks out from his Jiffy Knee Replacement. So what's been the biggest surprise so far you've had? I mean, you're still only 2 weeks, and you told me basically not a lot of pain.
I think that was the biggest surprise. I really expected the pain. I anticipated it. Was more anxious about that than anything else.
Yeah.
And quite honestly, I had more pain before the surgery than since the surgery. So I feel incredibly blessed.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. Now, again, you're young, you're healthy, you're active. We knew you were going to do well, but I think we all sort of agree you're much further along than we would have expected this early. Tell me about narcotic pain medications. Are you taking any right now?
I'm not taking any pain medication at all.
When did you come off the narcotic pain medications?
It was last week.
Yeah, so basically only a week of narcotics. That's pretty unheard of.
And once again, like I said, I don't feel like I needed them, but felt like I was programmed to believe that stay ahead of the pain, stay ahead of the pain. And so it worked, and who knows?
No, I mean, I think that's part of the protocol too. We're trying to get away from narcotics if we can help it, all right, within reason. And then you told me you're pretty much back to driving now.
Yes, I drove for the first time last week, so roughly about 9-10 days out.
That's awesome.
And,
it
was fun.
That's cool. Do you mind showing them, your range of motion? So straighten out the leg. So he's pretty much all the way straight. How far back are you getting?
And I can, I can pull it back further. So I mean, 110, 115.
That's awesome. And then do you want to walk them, show them how you're walking? You're pretty much unassisted so far. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So I know you have the cane, but you're basically just picking it up at the moment. All right. Very cool. Well, I appreciate you doing the testimonial. I think, what would you tell someone that's considering doing, the Jiffy versus a traditional replacement so far?
I would say do it without a doubt.
Yeah.
Have confidence and have faith and belief and trust that this. When I have friends that have done it the traditional way, and they are all stunned at what my progress is. Without a doubt, do it right away. Don't even hesitate.
Yeah. Well, I'm very, very proud of you. You're gonna get better and better. You're
Thank
still
you so
early.
much.
All right, appreciate it. Cool.